Good morning to my middle school students. Today is December 2nd. There are 22 days, 18 hours, and 13 minutes until Christmas. Today on Unique, we're going to be doing some writing, some vocabulary, and reading. So we will start with some writing. So we have to know a capital letter begins each sentence. Titles of books have capital letters. People's names have capital letters. Well, that's definitely not a highlighter. Names and places have capital letters. A period needs to go at the end of each sentence. Okay, so we're looking for 5 words that need a capital letter and 4 places that we need a period. So I'm going to get my red marker here. I'm going to change this view so I can see the whole thing. All right, so this book report about the book Holiday Service Project. So the book is called Holiday Service Project. So books get capitalized. So we need a big S and a big P. This is a book report. This is a book report about the book Holiday Service Project. That's a period. Mr. Harris's class, okay, this needs to be a big M. It's his name, as well as it's the beginning of a new sentence. Mr. Harris's class plans a service project for people in the community. Period is here, so we need a capital letter here. Big T. The class makes cards for older people who are alone. That's one complete sentence, so period. Then we need a capital T because we're starting a new sentence. The cards can help them feel happy and cared for. Another complete sentence, we need a period. I like this story because I like giving cards during the holidays too, period. All right, so let's see. 5 words that need a capital letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. So we have 5 capital letters. 4 places that need a period. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that completes writing. Oh, so then on the next slide, remember it has you check whether you did all those things, and we just did those, so yes. Next, you have your word study standards connection. That's where you put in the definitions. So continue on what you were doing yesterday. So do 3 more today. Guys, you only have to do this part. You cannot add a picture. And then what is the definition, okay? Just do what kind of word it is and what is the definition. Then you'll do your reading, and then you have comprehension questions that go along with that. All right, I wanted to do this one with you. So what is the most important idea of the text? So this is based on the book Giving. Giving is caring. So there are many ways to give. Giving makes people feel sad, or you can only give food. So there are many ways to give. That's the main idea. That's what that book was mainly about. And then you'll complete the rest of these based on the main idea of there are many ways to give and care for people during the holiday season. For math, you have a multiplication box. So you'll do multiplication of single digits, and then the next box is of double digits. So you'll have you'll have like a double digit number to multiply. And then I wanted to show you this next box is division. We haven't really talked much about division. Division is really like the opposite of multiplication. It's kind of like it's backwards. But I'm going to let you use your calculator today so you can find the correct keys on your calculator. And then I'm going to post a little video for you to watch about division. So definitely read through these, knowing that you need to understand what division is asking you to do. So I'm going to show you on your calculator where that division button is, or what it looks like. And it looks like this. This is what your division sign looks like. So I'm going to do this 6 divided by 48. So we're really trying to see how many times 6 fits into 48. So like how many times can we add 6? 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So really I'm just adding these together until I get to 48, which is just like multiplication. So let's do 6. Here's the divided sign. I did that wrong. I'm sorry. So we do the big number first. 48 divided by 6, and that's 8. So 48 divided by 6 is 8. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sixes can go into 48. And then I can check it by knowing that 8 times 6 is 48. So let's check that. 6 times 8, so I'm going to clear this. 6 times 8, and it should be 48, and it is. So that's what I mean by it's kind of like multiplying backwards. And then you have read this chart. This just needs to be done. So you can kind of make this up on your own. This is just kind of creating your own bar graph. So just choose certain things however you want it to look like. And then on the next slide, you will then answer questions about what you did as your own bar graph. So this is really, you just complete this on your own. It just needs to be done. And then you answer the questions on the next slide. Like if we were in class, we would be doing that together, asking each student, but you just do that on your own. Then you have your life skills application. So it's your calendar again, so make sure that you complete that if you have not already. And then for science, I'm just going to find different science activities for you the rest of this week. And then we will start fresh with vocabulary from Miss Staples on Monday. So you have this book to read, Living and Non-Living Things, and then you'll answer these questions based on this book. All right, guys. I hope you have a great day. Again, I'll see you on Friday. Bye.